Hi. Jeremy Lin, I watched your last night match. You made a bit many turnover, you did really good job. By the way, have you listened about Obama's birth control policy? Really? You mean, he's gonna control birth by encouraging people to use free contraception under his new health insurance law? Yes, you already knew. You didn't just play basketball. You also watch news. What do you think of IT? Church are crazy on it. Of course they are. They disagree on the contraception originally. You know, they find making love before marriage should be banned, and they hate artificial things such as condom to create lives. Yes, it's true. Not only church, Republican also protested extremely. And experts are expecting it's gonna affect the next president election. What do you think, Jeremy? Yes, it's gonna be a big issue on the next president election. I don't know it right policy, but Obama showed his courage even he's gonna face huge opposition. Yeah, I agreed on that point. I don't know this policy is right one. Let's see how it going to be in the future. But free condom is good news. Wish you become a world-class player like Michael Jordan. Thank you. I will give you my signed basketball shoes when I become player like Michael.